Hi everybody. I wanted to show you two projects, but really just like one project. I went to Dollar Tree and I picked up these baby socks. It was two pair for $1, of course. And I made this little outfit for Betsy and these socks for baby Sasha. And I guess you can make the socks, maybe they'd fit other dolls. I'm sure they'd fit other dolls. You just make them to size. The one thing about these is they're different sizes, even in the same pack. See? But this would make another good pair of socks. This would be a good pair of socks for a bigger doll. So all I did was for what Betsy has on now, all I did was open this seam about from here to there, not very far, and then folded it over and hemmed it. And then I attached elastic. Let's see if I have I don't have another, have a piece handy. I guess, yeah, here it is. It's this elastic. It's the same elastic cord that I use for restringing dolls, depending on the doll. So, but you can use, I use that, but there's all different gauges of, and even flat elastic would work too. It's whatever, it was because I had it on hand. If you had like tiny, nice thin ribbon, you can attach the ribbon on both sides and then tie it. There's a lot of different things that you can do. But I had the cord and I thought that would work. So I did that, and then after that was done, I just sewed the bottom here to make so that it was like a crotch, basically. And here we have her in a little sunsuit. And when I was a kid, I wore a sunsuit all the time. In the summer, of course, not in the winter. But that's that one. Now for the socks, I opened the seam all the way around. So then I had two pieces. And then I folded each piece in half. And using a zigzag stitch, I just stitched it all the way down. So from one sock, from one baby sock, I made two baby Sasha socks. So I think that was a good purchase. It was $1, and I have two left, and I'll probably make baby Sasha another pair of socks using the polka dot ones, and then I'll make socks for a bigger doll. I have two kid Sashas, so I'll probably make one of them a pair of socks too. And then the next time I'm at Dollar Tree, I have to see what else they have. I know that they had a couple different ones. I had the sunsuit in mind when I was looking at it, so I wanted a more girl type thing, type colors, pastels, and it needed to be, a pattern that it didn't matter if it was this way or this way, because I wasn't quite sure how this was going to be oriented. So that is it. So a $1 investment, and I still have two more projects left. So when you look at the doll socks on eBay or even some of the stores, online stores, they're a couple dollars a pair. So I'm going to have 3 pairs of socks, doll socks, and I'm going to have a nice little sunsuit for Betsy, all for $1. Well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment if you have some really cool projects, inexpensive Dollar Tree finds that you have created something out of for your dolls, or anything else really for that matter. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.